Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to link your Poshmark account to your Instagram. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in poshmark.com and press enter. Now log into your account if you haven't done so already using your credentials or your Facebook or your Google account. Now after you have logged in, you will be taken into this home page from which you can access your account settings by clicking on the account icon at the top right corner, and from this page scroll down and click on account settings. Now within the account settings page, underneath edit profile, scroll down and you will find the button to click on to manage your social media accounts. Go ahead and click on it. Now you will find various options to connect your social media account. You will also find the Instagram option. Click on the Connect Now button alongside Instagram, and now you will be taken into your Instagram sign-in page. Just go ahead and continue to your Instagram account and sign in, and you will be asked for permission. Once you have allowed permission, your Instagram account will be connected with your Poshmark account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to connect your Poshmark account with your Instagram account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.